me today as I visit Port Washington, Wisconsin. I take a look for Lycinum, but get skunked, and also attend a mushroom cooking demo with Chef Josie. It's going to be fun. Well, hi everybody. It's been kind of a sad, intense summer for me. I had major abdominal surgery in June, and a month later my dad passed away suddenly from sepsis. So I haven't been out mushroom hunting. I'm just getting back into it. I had to be on pelvic rest for 8-10 weeks. We're just at the 8-week mark now. So I'm back out there, but I miss a lot of the early summer shrooms. It's mid-August right now when I'm filming this, so let's see what's going on today. I'm down by Big Lake, Michigan at a nature preserve. We can't really harvest, but we can see if there's anything. I'm going to take a trail here. Let's see what we can find. So no birch boletes. As a backup, since I'm in Port Washington today, there is a mushroom cooking demo at the local library, and I'll show you guys all that. At least if we can't find any, we can eat some. Yummy. Oh, more walking. So this is my Lycinum / Gaber stock spot, and it's wet. It just got some rain, but we've had a brutal drought all summer, and I don't see them popping yet. You know, I don't see any mushrooms popping. Really, I see some white, maybe mycelium, unfortunately. So this is my spot here. I'm gonna look around a little, but I'm not seeing what I need to see. Come for the next one.
I know, right? And I just want to say I'm completely okay with filming. Should have mentioned that at the beginning, but...
Vegetarian mushroom enchiladas by our fabulous chef here.
Yeah, fabulous messy chef though.
You could only smell what I'm smelling. Really good. There's sweet corn, onions, king trumpet mushrooms.
Yeah, this is too thick. You you want a thinner enchilada sauce than this. You said you just wanted to coat the back of a spoon, and I'm like, yeah, that's definitely a lot more than coating the back of the spoon. So, and at this point, we're actually.
I find the purple ones to be more fibrous potentially.
To be what?
More like fibrous.
I don't know. It didn't seem like that to
No?
me.
Okay.
The orange ones were big and fibrous.
Yeah.
From it's kind of like wasabi, and the heat goes away, but it's not exactly like wasabi. And it's a plant that you find in really mucky areas, like in ditches and along ponds.
What's it called again?
Water pepper.
Okay.
Or pepper smartweed.
Nice.
And then we've got another one which I got from the store. Oops. Which is kind of ratty looking and whatnot, but this is Vietnamese coriander. Ooh. Or it's also called raw ram. You should look for other
For smartweed.
Oh man.
Mmm. Putting it on our ceviche. Mushroom sweet potato ceviche with foraged herbs and some bought herbs. The variety of fresh flavors and textures blew me away with this dish. It's fabulous. Okay, we've got mushroom, sweet potato,
Are they good?
ceviche with wild herbs.
Let me taste it.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
Let's try it. Mmm. Sour, creamy potatoes.
I love the pepper smartweed in there. I adore
The
it.
onions are good.
Oh my gosh, that's so good actually.
Fresh lime, you can't beat it. Delicious. This dish featured deep, complex Mexican flavors. Outstanding. Yeah. This is crazy. Mushroom enchiladas. Look at the portions. This is a whole meal. Fabulous.
Exactly. Let me see this.
When's your next one, Josie?
Well, we can try now.
October 10th, or 12th, or
Is it?
Oh,
it's a Saturday.
the sauce.
It's here too. Yep.
So
Same time.
rich. Delicious.
I think it's.
Here we are at Hidden Lake, everybody. Isn't it beautiful? Who are we with? Somebody who's going to the vet today. Name of Jake. He refused to get in his carrier and was extra spicy. So we held out a towel, which made him mad. He jumped and attacked the towel and was dangling from it, and we swung him into the carrier and closed him up. So soon he's going to be getting his wellness. Good bird. There's Jake. Hi, Jake. You're so beautiful. Say hello to everybody. Hello. Where are you going? Yeah? You're happy now? You're happy now. In an hour from now? Not so much, right? What? You say things sometimes. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah, I'm a big boy. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm planning a big trip all the way up to the top of Wisconsin into the North Woods in September. So look forward to lots of shrooming and lots of picking. I'm going to make it up to you for being kind of out of commission this summer and film lots of wonderful, wonderful fungi. Take care, everybody. If your dad's still with you, give him a big hug.